It went through 4 rounds of plan check. The city of Reading actually pulled one of their structural plan check engineers out of retirement to assist in scrutinizing this system. So the city of Reading actually had a total of 3 structural engineers, and we had 2 of ours, and they went back and forth 4 times inventing an industry. That's the best way I could put it, like creating an industry and creating code applications that exist today but that apply to this new method of construction. And so it was a lot of work, it was a lot of focus, but we had the directive of the city manager, so it happened. What I can say beyond that then is once we had that approved, now the milestone of where has it been done before had been reached. So we had 3 other jurisdictions that once we submitted that to them, they said, oh, okay, I see what you're doing here. And they had a couple of questions here and there, but we ultimately got it approved after the city of Reading. We got it approved in Shasta County, in Butte County, and in the town of Paradise as well. And those are all high focus areas for